Study Vacations. I hope you all have attended online webinar and listen your rewards carefully. I feel the happiness on your face and your parents also. Congratulations to you all. I thanks to parents, students and teachers for their tremendous support and cooperation to make the webinar successful. It's time to pick the rewards from your teacher. So just grab your rewards from your teacher and take a nice photograph with your parents and post on the FB account with hashtag StudyAbacus rewards. Special thanks to those grandparents who support their grandchildren during lockdown to teach and motivate them. Heartiest congratulations to those children, parents, and teachers to win the mega prizes laptop, mobiles, tablet, Google Home, MI bands, cycles, and checks. Now, time for celebration. Party with your parents, dance with your siblings, and stay home, stay safe. See you soon. Thank you.
Dear parents, this is the most precious moment for any teacher whose children are getting award for their performance. Parents, once again, I am paying my regards to all of you for your cooperation and trust on us. In this pandemic situation, it is very difficult to meet personally, but don't worry. This time we are meeting virtually through this webinar and share the bright moments. Congratulations to all the students for their performance. For me, you all are champion. Keep rocking. My special love to all our juniors who are performing very well in the current digital session, and they will become our future champion in the coming year. This 2020 year is a challenging period for all of us. We will meet all the challenges jointly and successfully. Students, just fix your target today itself and work accordingly. Stay safe.
Hello, I am Savitri Best. I am running Institute in Sector 24 and also in Sector 3. I am so happy and excited to share this announcement with you that my students are receiving the biggest prizes such as laptop, headphone, speaker, check. I want to appreciate my students and their parents for their support. Last but not the least, I want to thank Study Abacus team. Special thanks to Monica ma'am, Samir sir, Sunil sir and women. Thank you.
Hello everybody, hope you all are doing good. I am Monica Singhal, your Abacus teacher associated with Study Abacus and Poonam Arora Learning Point. I hope all of you are doing good, and I would like to congratulate all my dear students and my Study Abacus team for the exemplary result of our annual championship 2019-2020. As you all are aware, because of COVID-19, we could not hold the annual championship ceremony. That is why we are trying to congratulate all our students through this webinar. My students have performed very well, and this would not have been possible without the support and faith of our dear parents. Hope you continue to do so, and we'll come out with flying colors. Thank you everybody.
Hello my little learners and their lovely parents. I hope you and your family are safe during this deadly pandemic. I, Anchal Juneja, course instructor at Study Abacus, would wholeheartedly like to congratulate all the participants, their parents and Study Abacus team for such an amazing result. I appreciate your efforts and hard work. All the best and keep up the spirits. Special thanks to parents. This won't be possible without your immense love, faith and support. We will continue to provide best guidance in all possible way. Thank you and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone. I hope all of you and your loved ones are doing good during this pandemic. I am Poonam Gupta, associated with Study Abacus, teaching Abacus and Vedic Math. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the students for their excellent performance in the annual championship exam for 2019-2020. This is a combined effort of students and their parents who have supported all the way through. I would also like to congratulate Mr. Samir Katyal, Mr. Sunil Arora and Mrs. Monica Katyal for their entire support throughout the year. Since there won't be any event this year due to COVID-19, we are conveying the message through webinar. Hope all of you are taking good care of yourself. Many thanks to all of you and best of luck for the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hope you all are good. I Rajni Kagwari, a teacher of Abacus. I really appreciate to our Study Abacus team and our seniors who conducted this wonderful event even in this situation. I would like to congratulate to all students for the achievement they have earned. I am very thankful to the parents also who motivate their children to get better of themselves. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Suman Jain from Study Abacus Budh Vihar Center. Welcome to this digital seminar. This has been a very difficult journey for all of us, be it teacher, parent or students. But nonetheless, I am proud of my students who have done a wonderful job amidst all of this. Sara, Harshit, Simon, and though I cannot take the name of all of my students, I do wish to congratulate you and keep it up for the future. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mrs. Dolonde and I am course instructor of Study Abacus Dwarka branch. Due to this pandemic situation, we had conducted our annual prize distribution through webinar. And firstly, I would like to thank all my supportive parents who were there throughout the journey and still motivating us for our e-learning program. Heartiest congratulations to all my children for their remarkable achievements, and a special thank you for our founder member Mr. Samir Katyal sir and Monica ma'am and the mentor Sunil Arora sir who are inspiring us in every step. Thank you once again. Keep supporting. Stay home. Stay safe.
Hello everyone, myself Rohit Bindra from Ashok Vihar branch.
Hello, myself Madhuri Bindra from Study Abacus Shastri Nagar. Congratulations to all the participants who won excellence prizes in Olympiad exams and our parents and students. Parents gives us most precious time to us. So we are very thankful to our parents.
3 cheers for Study Abacus team. Hip hip, hooray!
Hooray!
Hip hip,
hooray!
hip hip,
Hooray!
Congratulations on your huge and marvelous success. You know, destiny of hard work is always depend on success. You have done hard work and you succeed. Troubles will come and go, but we will win all together. This is the time to acknowledge, to appreciate your patience, your learning skills and your hard work. All the very best and congratulations once again. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, myself Karishma Singhal from Study Abacus Avantika. I would like to congratulate my all students who have won this amazing prizes and keep rocking. Cheers to Study Abacus. Thank you.
Friends, I'm a dear student. This is Shruti, the teacher on the behalf of Study Abacus Institute. I hope that all must be safe and secure during this COVID-19 situation. As you are aware that all the students have appeared for the Olympiad exam which was held in the month of January 2020, and all the students have shown the incredible performance. This all will be possible just because of your parents' support, that you have encouraged your child on such a great platform, and the children have shown their outstanding performance for the same. I am just thankful to all the parents who motivate their kids and bring out their talents out of them. Thanks to all the parents, and I wish and I hope that this parent and student cooperation will continue in the future also. Thank you.
Winning is not everything, but efforts to win is more required. Hello everyone, I am Manu Gupta, trainer at Study Abacus. A very heartiest congratulations to all the students for their splendid performance in both inter-center competition as well as the Olympiad. Just keep up this hard work. You will have miles to go. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. I am Kavita Best, your teacher associated with Study Abacus at West Vinod Nagar. I want to congratulate all my dear students for their performance in Annual Championship Exam 2019-20. This would not have been possible without the support of their parents. So thank you parents for your support, and also a big thanks to our Study Abacus team for making such a wonderful event. Thank you everyone. Stay safe.
Hello everyone, I am Sunita Khurana, affiliated with Study Abacus and owner of Talent Hub in Rohini Sector 16. First of all, I would like to congratulate to each one of you. You and your family should be so proud of what you guys have achieved today. I am honored to be here, and honestly, Study Abacus has brought a major change in my life. All thanks to Team Study Abacus, dear parents and my precious students. This message is for all the parents to be present over here. That no matter what you buy for your kids, but the education you are going to give to your child will always be priceless. So keep investing on their learnings, and trust me, their future self will be so thankful to you. Stay safe everyone. Congratulations once again.
My name is Ritika Agarwal. I am running my center in Sector 21 and Sector 3 Rohini. First of all, I want to congratulate all my lovely students for their outstanding performance, and also give big thanks to Team Study Abacus. Thank you.
Dear all, I hope you all are fine. Here I want to share my inner voice. Today, it's about 4 months of lockdown and 4 months without seeing the students, parents personally. It's about 4 months of virtual classroom, teaching experience like never before. In this lockdown period, we had only 2 choices. One and easiest was to surrender ourselves and wait till the situation become normal. 2, to motivate ourselves, stay positive and work with the possible infrastructure and stay on in any sort of life. We choose option number 2. Last 4 months was like a war with life. Now it's become a new normal because we are habitual and adopt the situation. As usual, we take classes online, organize inter-center competition online, take exam online, give certificates online. Everything is going as usual with the cooperation of students, teachers and parents. Study Abacus will always be grateful to all of you for showing faith in our efforts, and hope that with your support and belief, we all together win the war against Corona and make our students' future bright. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.